Hey y'all, so we're back with another unboxing. As you can see, this is an order from Amazon. So I ordered a couple of silicone molds. So I'm excited to cut into this and see how they look. Whoops. Ugh, I can't cut with this knife apparently. Awesome. And I actually use these in with packing orders. So this plastic little air pocket things here will actually be reused. So I always save these. Yay. And then awesome. Here's some really cool unicorn molds. I'm going to make some Christmas stocking stuffers with these. I actually got 2 of them. And then stocking stuffers with this other mold. Cute. Came with some little plastic goodie bags here. Use those for my samples. So then I've got this here, some snowflake molds. These would be really cute. Plan on doing a layered look with the melt and pour with the unicorns and with the snowflakes. And then so these are actually a lot bigger in person than they looked on Amazon. These are massage bar molds. Wow. Yeah, these are actually a lot bigger than I thought. But I've never used a massage soap bar before. But I've heard really great things about them. People love them. So this is actually going to be the 3rd stocking stuffer I'm going to make and offer. So be on the lookout for that. I do have another Amazon order that's supposed to be here tomorrow that I'll show you guys as well in this video. So yeah, so we'll be right back. Hey y'all, welcome back to Valley Soaps. This is the last unboxing for this video. Okay. So this is another order from Amazon. Today I used the silicone molds of the unicorn and the snowflakes, and those turned out wonderful. I'll go grab some of those so you can see. So here are the unicorns and snowflakes. I thought these turned out beautifully. And I used the Sugar Plum Fairy fragrance for the unicorn and then the Energy fragrance oil for the snowflakes. And those are actually the first time using any fragrance from Brambleberry, and I will say I'm quite pleased with them. Nice. Okay, so this order today is for a custom order I will be making later this week. And as you can tell, it is an ocean themed soap custom order. So I was waiting to get these in to finalize the design that I've got, just because I wanted to hold these in my hands and figure out the size that they were going to be. So I've got those, as well as some coral molds. I just realized y'all are probably looking at that sideways. There we go. So I've got a couple of those molds, and then some little ocean life here. I'm going to open these up. So we've got some crabs and some tropical fish. Oh, these are cool. Finding Nemo. Oh, these are awesome. And let's see, this is a set of 60 pieces. Oh, these are so cute. And these are actually, these fish will actually stand up on their fins. I thought that was pretty neat. Doesn't really matter to me if they stand up, but how cute. Alright guys, so I am going to go ahead and end this video with that, and we will see y'all on Saturday for the next soap making video. Have a good one.